So at first open the Filmora video editor and import the green screen file. I already have this shot in the green screen studio. So after you've done importing, just drag it to the timeline, but make sure that you drag on this line, which is the element line, not on the topmost line, that is the video line. So make sure that you only drag your green screen video file to this line here, otherwise the green screen option will not appear in the context menu. Now split the video from where you want. Just drag the cursor to that point, select the clip and press Ctrl and D together. Now the clip is splitted. Now select the portion that you don't want and press delete. Now the clip is deleted. I also do not need the last portion, so from this portion I can split my clip and delete the rest of it. Now there's a problem in this clip, which you can see that there is a, at the first portion the intensity of the background is this, but as we move further the intensity of the green increases. So we're gonna solve this problem, but before everything I just want to show you, I just want to introduce that how you should use the green screen, how you can use the green screen effect. Just right click on the clip and you see there's a green screen option. Click on this and check this box which says make parts of the clip transparent. Check this box and go on the video and click on the color that you want to diminish. For this video, for this example, we're gonna diminish the background green's color, so we're gonna click on the green. Now you can see that the green color is removed, but still there's lots of background greenish noise is there. So in order to overcome that, all you have to do is simply increase the intensity level. So you'll just scroll this slide, you'll just scroll this slide up and you can see that the green is diminished completely. Do not scroll this bar to the 100, otherwise also the black color and others will be disappeared and your main subject will kind of become transparent. So just scroll as much as you really need. For this option, for this project, I'm just keeping it on 50 and you can see that most of the green is diminished. Click on OK and your clip should look like this. The background is now removed. Now if I play the video, you can see the background is completely black and there's no green there. But as I said, there's a problem in this video. The problem is at the first portion of the video the intensity of the green was much less than the last portion of video. That is why you can see that further everything was fine, but at the end of the video the green still appears. So how can you overcome this problem? This is the most common problem in green screen and it occurs when the lighting is very poor or the camera quality is very poor. So in order to overcome this, I'm just gonna undo this so I can show you how it is done. So in order to overcome this, just do as I do, just follow me. All you have to do is to notice that from where the change of the intensity of the green starts. You can see that here the green is much less intense and here it is much intense. So from somewhere here the intensity change occurs. So I'll take the cursor here. For the ease of work you may zoom in the timeline. So take the cursor from where the change starts and split the clip using Ctrl and B. So now all we're gonna do is to apply the chroma effect separately for both these two clips. So for the first clip I'm gonna apply the green screen effect just the same way I did. Okay, for the second one I'm also gonna do the same. this looks fine. So now if I play the video again, there's still a part of green available here. Which one clip? In the first clip. That's not going to be a problem. All you have to do is to increase the intensity level a little bit more, so the greenish really disappears. I'm gonna pull it up to 70. That's not going to be any problem. You can, there's just one frame, I guess, so I can delete this one frame, so it's not going to cause any problem, because that's just one frame which sustains for a couple of microseconds maybe. Now I'm gonna play the video. Let's see how it looks. A little bit more intensity is here needed. See how it looks. Now it's completely disappeared. So now it looks completely fine. So that is how you can overcome the green screen error. All you have to do is to split the clip and find from where the change of intensity occurs. From there you should apply the green screen effect, the chroma key effect, separately for all the clips. So that's how it's done.